Hello children, I Lal Hare Murari Nath Sadhe welcome you all students of Standard 7 to my online class. Children, now it's the turn of the worksheets 9, 10 and do it yourself from the unit, from the first unit which has been given the title articles. In this worksheet, you will find the use of inverted commas. You have studied it in narration, and so I expect that you will definitely be able to do this worksheet very well. Now look at the question which we have to deal. Rewrite the following sentences using commas, full stops, question marks and inverted commas wherever necessary. First sentence is, you should go to bed now, the matron said. There is no any full stop, any comma or even inverted commas, not any interrogative sign. Now you have to correct it. You have to start this expression with inverted commas. You should go to bed now. Here you have to put comma, then inverted comma closed. The matron said, full stop. The next sentence, there lives a beautiful white cat in this house, whispered Andy. You have to start inverted comma with there. There lives a beautiful white cat in this house, inverted comma, closed comma, whispered Andy, full stop. Now this third one, now you see this third one. Are you practicing for the match next week? Asked Raghu's mother. You have to start this sentence with inverted commas just before are. Are you practicing for the match next week? Interrogative mark, inverted comma closed, asked Raghu's mother, full stop. Now the last one. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Said Mr. Wells. Again you have to start this expression with inverted comma. Before who you start inverted comma. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Interrogative mark, inverted comma closed, said Mr. Wells. This is how you have to answer this worksheet number 9. Now come to worksheet 10. Here you have to read the poem which is given here. Put in the missing inverted commas. Here you have to use only one punctuational mark, and this is inverted commas. Now look at, see which line you have to put your, which lines you have to put inverted commas. Number 1, they have moved all my favorite things. Here from beginning till end. Number 1, they have moved all my favorite things. The next part, they have flattened the slide. They have flattened the slide. Here you have again to put inverted commas from beginning till end. Now next is, and they have got rid of the swings. and they have even got rid of the swings. Here you have to start inverted comma from and complete it at the end of swings. Now next is, I wonder what will come next. I wonder what will come next. You have to start it from I wonder. Your inverted comma should be started with I and it should be ended at next. Next one, next expression. Well, I would like a pool. Here again you have to start inverted comma with well and then put at last after pool. Next one, yes please. You have to start inverted comma with y and end it with ja, please. Yes please. Begin it with S and end it with please. After that, well, could it be houses? This is the next line which you have to put within inverted commas. Now another is, or a long row of shops, or a long row of shops. You have to start here with or, inverted comma has to be started with or and ended after inverted commas after shop. Next one, next line which you have to put within inverted commas is, I know what it will be. You start with I and end with B. I know what it will be. And the last one, a new park. So now, aren't you glad? You have to start inverted commas with A and end it with glad after question mark. This is how you have to use your inverted commas in this poem in the lines which are already given here. Now let us come to the next worksheet. This is do it yourself. Do it yourself. Now look at here a young scientist called Frankenstein started trying to create life. He used, there is no need of any article here. So he used electricity to do this. After a year of struggle, he succeeded. But he created a monster. But he created a monster. You know it that once when you have used a, since you are repeating, so the here. The monster was very large and ugly. People hated and feared him. The monster wanted love, but he learned to hate. Then one day he killed a boy. Frankenstein was in a state of shock. He realized it was an error to have created such a creature. He regretted having wasted his time over a useless creature and decided to kill it. This is how you have to answer this first question of do it yourself. Now the second one, rearrangement. First is already done. Ours was an interesting family. Now come to B number. Ram was the eldest and so a favorite of the family. B number. How will you arrange this B number? Ravi was the eldest and so a favorite of the family. Now C number. Nina was 6.5 years younger than him. Nina was 6.5 years younger than him. Now D number. Sonal, who was the second born, Sonal, who was a second born, was a big bully. And the last one, Sonal was a boy without common sense. Sonal was a boy without common sense, but Nina was an intelligent girl. Sonal was a boy without common sense, but Nina was an intelligent girl. This is how you have to answer these questions. Now we have to take up another unit from the practice book, and so now this unit has come to an end. In our next video, we will again meet with another chapter to do some other worksheets. By then, thank you.